Market research is an $80 billion industry with millions of users across the globe. But users still face many challenges. Top of the list is data deluge, real-time feed, data relevancy, cross-functional data, and generation of personalized data. Users either utilize paid data platforms or paid report subscriptions, but they still need real-time feeds, online searches, and their own in-house intelligence to synthesize an output. Welcome to OneStat's Lightbulb, an AI-assisted unique platform which has it all at one place. We claim to revolutionize your research and output efficiency by 10 times. A platform capable of making anyone an analyst with remarkably reduced cost, ease of use, and interactive data repository. So how does Lightbulb help you? It provides access to an exhaustive list of data sources. For example, Lightbulb lets you search from 150,000 charts and statistical database. It moves away from a static PDF report to an interactive analysis platform. All the information here is interactive, exportable, and reduces analyst fatigue. Complete freedom from scrolling through hundreds of pages of a PDF report. It uncovers data interconnects between a report and all available data sources. For example, section and report interconnects, video interconnects, news stories interconnects, and executive contact database interconnects. It allows slicing and dicing of data both within as well as across all industry reports. You can make all the cuts and slices, and compare the charts side by side on the dashboard. Dashboards can also be saved for future views. It saves 50% of research analysts' time and effort by allowing ergonomic export and publishing of data. So CSV files and images, PowerPoint slides, and even a WhatsApp message. Self-service report publishing allows an analyst to create custom reports at a click of a button. So choose from data sets, define limits, define themes, keep what you need, and export the full report. As simple as that. So schedule a demo today. See how Lightbulb AI transforms your research practice and business decisions.